Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Great to see everybody. It is Wednesday, October the 14th. So today is your daily recording for Wednesday and Thursday of class. And because it is Wednesday, of course, rocking the pink because on Wednesdays we wear pink. So today we are going to start on standard number 4, which is all about the beginnings of the American Revolutionary War. So we are going to look at the Declaration of Independence, what kind of goes on in early 1775 and 1776, and then take it throughout the course of the war in Standard 4, looking at different battles, influential people, ideas, and the processes that actually help America fight against the British, and then eventually, spoiler alert, win the Revolutionary War and begin their own country. So what we're going to work on today and tomorrow in class is we are going to look at the Declaration of Independence. So we're going to start from the beginning, which was where America finally says to Great Britain, we are done, we're breaking up, we've had enough of you guys, it's time for us each to move on. Now, we've talked about this relationship scenario several times, so think about it like this. America's ready to move on. Great Britain is the clingy ex that is like, absolutely not, I don't accept your breakup. In fact, we're going to fight over this breakup so that I can keep you. So what we're going to do in class today is we are going to work on a organizer, surprise there, looking at the Declaration of Independence. The reason that I give you guys so many organizers is I feel like you could do the organizers in lieu of taking notes because you're filling it in with the information we're discussing. So if you ever wonder, like, why do we have so many graphic organizers? It's because my plan is to give you those instead of saying take these notes and then do this worksheet. We just combine them into one. But as always, if you scroll down to the U.S. History modules, click on the Unit 2 module. That's going to take you right into Unit number 2. We've done the causes of the American Revolution graphic organizer and common sense. So last week, we set the stage for what's about to take place by looking at things that led the Americans to be upset with the British. Thomas Paine's or T. Paine's work, Common Sense. It's common sense that Thomas Paine wrote Common Sense. Now we're going to work on this organizer about the Declaration of Independence. So if you click on that, just like you normally do, it's going to take you again to the same thing we always see, which is a read-only version of the document. So guys, if you don't want to download this, if you like to write your stuff on paper, you can literally just copy this from your Canvas page to fill out on your own piece of paper. That's perfectly fine. If you want to type this, if you want to download it, again, as always, you'll have to click here and go through the process of downloading and then saving the document. If you don't remember how to do that or you haven't done it yet, there's a video in the archives. I believe it's in the technology help section. It might be in both of our playlists, but Mr. Burrows talks to you guys about how to do that. So as we go through today, we're going to talk about the Declaration of Independence. So we're going to have a little bit of lecture, a little bit of notes, talk about the important stuff with the Declaration. There is some great stuff in the Declaration of Independence. There's some great ideas and ideals. It's a good document. There's also some not so great stuff in there, and we're going to look at both of those today because like anything, there's good and there's bad. So throughout the course of today, and also probably into our next class, we are going to be looking at the different things that have to do with the Declaration of Independence. Now, if you go below here on this organizer, you will see that there are a couple of different things. Number one, there is the actual document itself. So if you wanted to go and look at a copy of the original document, its original language, it's right there. You also see these are all video clips on YouTube, guys. These are things that we will probably look at most of in class, but in case we don't get to them, I will ask you guys to watch them outside of class. So one that we're going to really look at is this one. It's a reading of the Declaration of Independence. So if you miss class today or you're not sure what to do or your internet goes down or my internet goes down, you need to watch this first video no matter what. It's a reading of the Declaration of Independence. It's celebrities. It's from the early 2000s, so maybe they're not as famous anymore, but it's celebrities reading the Declaration of Independence. I would also say if you miss class, check out this one as well. It's How to Understand the Declaration in 5 Minutes. It breaks down this document very well. It does it in a very short amount of time. It would be really good. The other few videos, these 1, 2, 3 are all songs. One of them is a parody of Too Late to Apologize. There's one that's No More Kings, which is a Schoolhouse Rock song. So if you like Schoolhouse Rock, that one's for you. And then if you've ever seen the musical Hamilton, we're going to get into that over the next couple of standards. And so you could definitely check out this song called You'll Be Back, which was about the King of England's perspective of the colonies. So these are all some videos with some extra information, maybe a little bit of entertainment for you. Also, if you want to know how to get to the actual notes that we're going to look at, there's 2 ways to get to them. The first way is to get to our Google Slides presentations, and just to give you a reminder on how to do that, if you go to your homepage on Canvas and you scroll down to the second section, U.S. History Modules, click on Tools and Resources. That takes you to our resource page, Unit 2 Resources, Google Slides Presentations. If you click on Google Slides Presentations, it will pull up a Google Doc that has a list of 10 Google slideshows. We are going to be looking at number 9 today. So if you miss class and you're out, or you need to go back later and find some more information, where do I find the information? Number 9, presentation number 9, American Revolution, Declaration of Independence will be for you, and it's going to pull up some stuff. It'll give you a little bit of background from standard number 3, and then it will move into the actual Declaration of Independence. You also have your YouTube Unit 2 playlist that you can click on. If you click on that, it will take you to the video that's the YouTube version of notes. You can see over here on the side is the playlist. There's 2 videos worth of notes. We're going to be in part number 1. And about 2.5 minutes in, it gets to standard number 4. You also then have some Crash Course U.S. History videos that you could watch if you wanted some more stuff. There's a lot of songs from the musical Hamilton. There's a couple of videos just like we had breaking down common sense. There's some videos that break down the Declaration of Independence. You can see there's some epic rap battles in here. We'll get to those later. All right. So if you are out of class on Wednesday or Thursday, the 14th and 15th of October, and you're like, what do I need to do? Or if your internet goes down, or if you're working independently later and you don't remember exactly what we did in class, hopefully this video will kind of guide you through, make you aware of the things that we did and the things that you need to do. If possible, guys, I would love for you to get this organizer over the Declaration of Independence done today. If we don't finish it today, then we will finish it up first thing the next time that we're together, and then start talking about the actual Revolutionary War. All right. Have a great day, guys. Hopefully we'll see you in class.